As COVID-19 began to spread across the country, Ireland took a moment to applaud those on the front line. Almost a year and a half later, unions representing some of those workers are calling for recognition. But for those working in the private sector, administering a so-called pandemic bonus is more complicated.
We'd have to think of other ways of doing that. One idea under consideration, for example, is an additional bank holiday. Other ideas under consideration, for example, are things around tax credits. But all those things are now only under discussion.
In a joint submission to the Labour Court, health sector unions have called for special recognition. They've distanced themselves from an earlier INMO claim for an extra 10 days leave. Instead, they're taking a non-prescriptive approach. The National Bus and Rail Union has also lodged a claim, and the Association of Garda Sergeants and Inspectors has suggested some form of pandemic bonus. Meanwhile, teachers' unions are taking a joint approach. The INTO, ASTI and TUI have said that they expect to be included in any discussions around the acknowledgement of workers' contributions during the pandemic.
The government themselves raised the prospect of this compensation, so they need to be good. They need to make good on their word.
Questions have also been raised about the cost of such recognition.
My concern is that the budget, which is a fortnight from tomorrow, will be a soft budget, but it could be the last soft budget for a long time.
Meanwhile, talks for an extra bank holiday are at an advanced stage. It's intended that the day would mark both the efforts made and the lives lost during Ireland's battle against COVID-19. Tommy Meskel, RTE News, Leinster House.